Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can create an AFK channel on Discord. So make sure you create a voice channel here that's called AFK or whatever you want to call it. Then create it. I already have one here. Then you're going to go to your server settings here. Make sure you're an admin or you have like permission to do this. Under inactive channel, you're going to select the AFK section, and you're going to also select your inactive timeout. There's 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, up to an hour. So for instance, they're AFK for 15 minutes. They'll be put in that channel. I'm just going to show you guys the 1 minute one so you guys can wait. So I'm just going to I'll just turn off my voice. I don't know if it's gonna work because I'm like on I'm recording, but if there's like no activity, like there's nothing, you're going to immediately go down to the AFK section and you'll be muted as well. Here, I'll show it to you guys. You'll be muted. Press OK, and that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.